Let's learn the kitchen vocabulary words. Corkscrew, corkscrew. Apron, apron. Blender, blender. Bowl, bowl. Slicer, slicer. Sandwich maker, sandwich maker. Thermos, thermos. Pizza slicer, pizza slicer. Baking tray, baking tray. Cooker, cooker. Mug, mug. Butter dish, butter dish. Tongs, tongs. Wok, wok. Gas stove, gas stove. Grater, grater. Sponge, sponge. Pestle and mortar, pestle and mortar. Whisk, whisk. Rolling pin, rolling pin. Strainer, strainer. Bottle opener, bottle opener. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.